Hey there, folks. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering how to freeze your Discover card, and that's a smart move. Whether you've misplaced your card, suspect some funny business, or just want to add an extra layer of security to protect against identity theft, freezing your card is a quick and easy way to lock it down temporarily. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it right from your phone or computer. Let's dive in. First off, why should you freeze your card? It's simple. Freezing puts a hold on new purchases, preventing anyone from using it without your permission. Discover makes this super straightforward through their app or website. To get started, you'll need to have your Discover account set up. If you don't have one, download the Discover app on your smartphone or head to their website on your computer. Step 1. Log in to your Discover account. Use your username and password, and make sure you're on a secure connection, maybe even enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Account Settings or Security section. It's usually right there on the homepage. Step 2. Find the Card Freeze option. In the app, it might be under Manage Card or Security Controls. On the website, check under Account Services. You'll see an option that says something like Freeze Card or Lock Card. Click on that. Step 3. Confirm your action. Discover will probably ask you to verify your identity, like entering a code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, select Freeze and confirm. Boom! Your card is now frozen. You can always unfreeze it later when you need to make a purchase. One more thing. Remember, freezing your card doesn't affect your credit score or ongoing payments like subscriptions, but it's always a good idea to check with Discover if you have any doubts. If you're dealing with a lost or stolen card, contact customer service right away for additional help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on staying safe with your finances. Stay secure out there.